Hey guys, it's Hannah. So we've been having way too much fun today here at ColDesi making this custom growth chart wall sticker. Want to see how we did it? Keep watching. Now the first step is to prepare your artwork. There's a couple ways to do this. Now this is custom artwork from the Mannamong comic book series, but you can also purchase templates online or you can have custom stuff created from ColDesiGraphics.com. Then you're going to head over to the machine that makes a project like this possible. So we're using the Roland VersaStudio BN-20. Now this machine is really great for car decals, signs, stickers, and wall graphics like the one we did here today. The first step is to load in our rolled media. Now we're using the WallFlair removable vinyl, and you can find this on ColemanandCompany.com. Then you're going to load up your artwork into the VersaStudio Software and send it over to the printer. The Roland BN-20, hence the name, has a maximum printing width of 20 inches. But the printing length is almost infinite. So it's going to be able to print graphics as long as the amount of media that you have loaded into the machine. So this makes this machine perfect for printing things like growth charts. This printer is actually a print and cut system. So what it's going to do is it's going to print my full graphic out, all 6 feet of it, then it's going to cut around it to make that sticker. So once this is done printing and cutting, the ink will still be a little wet. So you're going to want to let it dry for a little bit before you move on to application. The WallFlair removable vinyl that we're using adheres to flat painted wall surfaces and most types of wallpaper and wood panels. This material has a clear removable adhesive, so it can be taken down easily without leaving a messy residue. You shouldn't put this vinyl on unfinished walls or freshly painted walls, and it must be applied to dry surfaces. For applications like this, printing to bleed is actually not recommended. So to prevent edges from lifting, about 1/4 inch of a border is recommended. Now I know what you're thinking. How much does something like this cost to make? The answer is a lot less than what you're probably thinking. So to print this 20 inches wide by 6 feet long image was only $1.90 in ink. Now the roll of WallFlair comes with 50 feet of material. So for this, we used about 7 feet of material, a little extra on the top and bottom. So that means that we used $5.88 worth of the WallFlair material. When you add that together with the ink cost of $1.90, we only spent $7.78 to produce this giant wall sticker. Now we looked online, and the best thing about custom growth chart stickers like these is they retail for about $40 on the low end. So this is just one of the many ways that the Roland BN-20 can make you a lot of money. So go ahead and visit ColDesi.com to learn more.